Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous class, we discussed an overview of Python. Today in this class, we will discuss an introduction to Python. Let's start our session. History of Python. Python was invented by Guido van Rossum in 1991 at CWI in the Netherlands. The main idea of Python was taken from ABC programming language. What is Python? In many interviews, you might be asked this question. Python is a high-level, dynamically typed interpreted programming language that can be used to execute various kinds of programs. Let's break down the definition of Python. Dynamically typed. This means the type of variable is determined at runtime. For example, a equals to 10 means a is a variable holding an integer value. In Python, we don't declare the type of the variable explicitly, which is why Python is called dynamically typed. Interpreted programming language. This means the code is executed line by line, and each line is converted to machine understandable language by the interpreter. Why we choose Python? Why we have chosen Python over other programming languages? Python is free to use and can be utilized in many work areas such as web development, automation testing, data science, artificial intelligence, and it supports GUI programming. As discussed, Python can be used in various fields like web development, application development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, speech recognition, etc. Companies using Python. Some of the companies using Python are Netflix, Google, YouTube, Dropbox, NASA, and many more. Basic input and output in Python. I know we are going into lot of theory, so let's get into programming. We will learn about basic input and output functions in Python. Input function. The input function takes user input from the keyboard. Here is the syntax. Num is equals to int, input of enter a number. Num is equals to input, enter your string. Num is a variable where we store our input. We will discuss more about variables in coming classes. Int means the input given by the user is an integer value. You might ask, Python is dynamically typed, so why specify the int data type? In the input function, if we haven't specified any data type, it will automatically take user input as a string. That's the main reason we mention the data type as before the input. Output function. The print function displays messages on the screen. Here is the syntax. Print 10 plus 2. It will print 12 as the output. Print hello world. It will print hello world as the output. Comments in Python, which will use hash for single line and we will use triple quotes for multiple lines. Python installation. Go to Google, type Python idle download, go to Python website and click on download Python 3.12.4. It's downloading. After downloaded, a setup wizard will be open. Click on install now. Wait for installation. Installation was successful. Now we will close this. See, this is the Python interpreter. We will write code here. Num is equals to int bracket input bracket colon enter a number. We will print the number to see which number we have entered. Print num. Yes. Now we will save it and execute it. Now it's showing enter a number. We will enter 1 and see it's printing 1.